In this training video, I want to show you step by step how to promote Clickbank affiliate links using free traffic source. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this in a proven way that's worked for me and that's working for other people as well. And it's proven, tested, and it can work for you too. So if you've been struggling to make your first sale online, you have been struggling to make your first commission with Clickbank, if you have been struggling to get traffic to your Clickbank affiliate link, like I've said in my previous videos, that traffic is very, very important, because if you're not getting traffic, you can't make sales. Traffic equals money. Okay, so first you need to solve the traffic problems. Learn how to get traffic, whether it's paid traffic, whether it's free traffic. Become an expert with traffic generation, because 80% of your problem will be solved once you have become an expert with traffic. So in this video, we're going to talk about the traffic method, getting free traffic to your affiliate link. And if you do it on a daily basis, that traffic is going to start growing, and it's going to grow to an extent where you're going to get 100, 200, 300 visitors to your affiliate link. So I'm going to show you step by step how it's done, how I have done it, and how I have been able to make affiliate commissions online. So let's dive into this video. So right now I'm on Clickbank. Clickbank is a marketplace that has thousands of digital products. They pay commissions anywhere from 50% to 75% commission. You don't have to do anything. You just come to Clickbank, you register a free account, and then you go to the Clickbank marketplace, and then you can just choose all these products. Okay, they have different type of products down here. All right, so you can choose these products from here, and then you need to drive traffic. Traffic means real human eyeballs to the site, to the website. Okay, so every time you drive traffic, if it's targeted traffic, which means if your offer is related to home and garden, and the person that you are sharing your link with is interested in home and gardens, and he wants more information about home and gardens, that is called targeted traffic, which means most likely you're going to make a sale. Okay, now if it's untargeted traffic means your offer is related to home and gardens, but the person you're sharing your link with is not interested in home and gardens. He's actually interested in something else, for example sports, soccer, etc. Then you're not going to make a sale, because that is untargeted traffic. So you don't want to focus on just traffic, you want to focus on targeted traffic. So whichever offer you're promoting, you want to find those type of people who are interested in that niche and looking for information related to that niche. That's called targeted traffic, and that's when you're going to generate commissions. Now you can choose a product from here. I'm just going to choose one of the products that I love. Okay, so I'm just going to come here. I'm going to type in this keyword into the search bar, and the first product that's coming up, if you look at the sales page, is this one down here. Okay, so you can see this is the sales page. It's a Clickbank product. Okay, it's paying, I think it's paying 75% commission. Yes, 75% commission. It's a very, very good product, up-to-date product. Okay, and they're also providing with 6 exclusive bonuses as well. Okay, and one of the bonuses, which is priceless, is the reseller license you get to this product, which means you get the sales page, the thank you page, the email swipes, everything for you to sell this product like it's your own product and earn 100% commission. So you're just not getting with this product, you're not just getting a course that's going to teach you how to get unlimited free traffic with Instagram, but actually you're getting a complete business in a box with the sales page, thank you page, everything for you to actually go out there and sell this product like it's your own product and earn 100% commission. So I love this product. I'm going to promote this product. Okay, so let's go back here, and then you just come here and you get your affiliate link and you start driving traffic. So let's talk about the traffic. The traffic source that we are talking about down here is the free traffic source called Facebook. Okay, so you've probably seen Facebook, and I'm going to show you the way that I do this. Okay, so I'm going to go into one of the groups that I have already joined. So if you're related to wealth, make money online, you're just going to come here, search in the groups affiliate marketing, make money online, work from home, and you're going to join all these couple of groups. Okay, if you're related to health, then you're going to come into these groups and search for health. If you're related to anything else like home and gardens, you're going to come into these groups and type in home and gardens. That's how it all works. I've already joined a couple of groups, so I'm just going to go to one of the groups down here, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So you can see here, this is a group related to affiliate marketing. Okay, and in this group they have over 38, just approximately 39,000 members. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to create my post. Now the way I will create my post is very simple and very easy. I'm just going to come here, click on this, and then you're going to have a couple of options down here. Okay, first option is that you can create a public post by just writing a couple of texts down here. Okay, the second option is that you could come here and upload an image. Okay, first create an image with text on it and then upload an image, which works very good. And the third option is, which I love, which I have used and has worked so good for me, is this option here. Can you see this here? So we're going to click on this and I'm going to create my post. Okay, so then I'm going to click on this dot and then I'm just going to choose one of the templates down here. So you can see here they have different type of templates. I don't like the plain one. I just like the one that has different kind of colors here. So I'm going to click on this one here. Okay, and then down here I'm going to create my post. Now let me show you what I do that makes my post stand out. Okay, so first of all, I will put emojis, and one of the best emojis that I use in this case is this one here. Okay, so I'm going to go here and then I'm going to write my post. So I'm going to put something like let's just check the sales page first here. Let's see what the product is all about. Okay, so for anyone looking to generate money, to the sales system. Okay, so we're going to come back here and I'm going to write something like start getting unlimited $100 payments using free traffic. Comment info. Let's just do that. Okay, so you can see here I just created this post here, right? Now bear in mind that what's going to happen is once I post this, people are going to see the post. If they resonate with this post, they will comment info. Okay, they're going to comment info, and every person who comments info, you're going to reply to those messages. And in that message, you are not going to put the direct Clickbank affiliate link. Remember that. Do not put the direct Clickbank affiliate link, because that's not allowed. You want to mask your affiliate link using a website called a website that will shorten your link for you. This is one of the websites that people normally use. You could come here, you could paste in your Clickbank affiliate link into this, okay, and it will mask it for you and make it shorter. So you're going to use your shortened Clickbank affiliate link. That's number one. Number two, and when you send messages, you're not just going to send them a message saying, hey, here's a link, check it out. No one's going to buy it like that. Give them a bit of a hint what the product is all about. Okay, so you could get all the hints from the sales page here. So you could put something like here, you could take this, okay, take this, put it in a notepad or something and just make some changes to it, and then take some more info from here, write a good post telling them exactly what this is all about, and then at the end, to learn more about this whole thing with 6 exclusive bonuses, check out the link. Here's the link, and then you want to post your Clickbank affiliate link, which will be shortened through this website here. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, you want to respond to everyone. Now, not everyone's going to see your message, not everyone's going to click on your link, not everyone's going to buy, but persistent is the key to success. So if you do this constantly, you're going to start seeing some traffic coming in. So when you go to your Clickbank analytics and reporting tab, you're going to see the spike of the traffic, you're going to see the hops, you're going to see the visitors coming to your Clickbank affiliate link. And then if you do this on a regular basis, and then you're going to see that traffic starting to grow, and then you're going to start seeing some order form impression counts as well. So people are basically visiting the Clickbank offer. All right, they're visiting this Clickbank offer, and at the same time with this offer, they are checking out the order form as well, which is a very, very good sign, which means they are interested. This is just something that's stopping them. Okay, so you want to do something like that. Okay, so they're going to come here, they're going to see this, and they're going to say, yeah, I want to buy this. this looks good, this is perfectly fine, I want to buy this, and boom. Then most people, once the traffic starts to grow, people are looking at the order form, then you're going to start seeing potential sales. And then if you continuously do this, your free traffic starts to grow, and then you're going to start making some potential sales and commissions. Okay, so this is how I do it. This is how other people are doing it. Now, you just don't have to stick to Clickbank products. You can promote any product. You can promote your own product, your own system. You can promote other affiliate networks as well. I'm just showing you the method on how to get free traffic to your Clickbank offers and affiliate links, and how to start making potential sales and potential commissions by growing your traffic. Okay, so this is how you do it with free traffic, with free Facebook. Stay tuned, because I will come up with some brand new videos showing you more ways to generate paid and free traffic.